Clear left.
Clear left.
Ras Al Khaimah, safety 1.
We continue with inspection.
Flight control, check.
You want to proceed via loop alpha, continue
Hold up.
inspection.
Full down. Neutral. Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Rudder check.
Neutral. My check.
Yeah.
Okay. Before takeoff checklist. Flight control.
Checked.
Check.
Checked.
Check. Briefing.
It's confirmed for runway 34.
Confirm. Flap setting.
Config 1.
Config was set. For you 1, we are V2, flex temperature.
So we have 120, 25, 28, 65.
120, 125, 128, 65. ATC.
Set.
EK memo.
Takeoff number.
Before takeoff checklist, down to the left.
Okay. And we are ready, 980.
Arabia 980, clear to operate to left circuit, runway 34, number 1,500 feet, squawk 6161.
Copied, we are cleared for left circuits and squawk 6161. Confirm we are cleared for takeoff.
Arabia 980, read that correct, not above 1,500 feet, line up and wait runway 34.
Not above 1,500 feet and line up runway 34, 980.
At holding by taxiway November.
Below the line.
Number, thank you.
34.
34, confirm, cabin crew.
Arabia 980, wind 350 degrees, 11 knots, runway 34, clear takeoff.
Clear takeoff runway 34, Arabia 980.
TCAS.
TRA,
Engine mode selector.
normal,
Tax.
off, on, sorry.
Before takeoff checklist completed. I have control.
You have control. So you wait for 50, release slowly,
Takeoff.
slowly advance, and center line. Read the FMA.
Man flex. 65, A320, auto thrust blue.
Checked. Yes, sir. You need to push. Okay, 100 knots.
Check.
V1, rotate. Nice and slow. Like this. Keep it going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going to FD. Positive climb.
Yep.
Very good.
Nav.
Checked. Into yes.
51.
Correcting.
100 above.
Help yourself using the lock and the glide. It's okay.
Okay.
That's it.
6 Romeo, fuck you.
Slowly look at your rate of descent and center line. Too much?
40,
More.
20,
That's it.
retard,
Yalla.
retard, retard, retard.
Good job. Slowly the nose. Rotate. Slowly and nicely. Okay. Positive climb.
Yep.
Good job. A little less faster, okay?
Okay.
Reduce the speed.
Start.
Check. After takeoff checklist, landing gear flaps.
Completed.
Super. So reset the timer
Alright.
and top chrono.
Okay. So we have 10 tailwind. So 30 plus 2, 35 base turn.
Okay.
FD off, horizon please.
Okay.
Gear down please.
Gear down. Slowly, slowly. 20 degrees, 400 feet per minute.
Alright.
Yes.
Flap 3.
Speed check. Lap speed. Very good.
Flap 3.
Turning final Arabia
Flap
980.
Arabia 980, wind 330 degrees, 10 knots, runway 34, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Arabia 980.
Running inside.
Very good, very good.
Flaps full.
Go for it. Flaps full.
Landing checklist is completed.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, you're doing much better this time. You see now the lock start going a little to the left. Very good, very good. And kill the rate of descent.
100 above.
Make it temporarily 0.
Alpha Kilo, Roger.
Yes.
Tracking.
Yes. Once it's start touching, then I go 700. Very good job. Very good job. Don't bank to the right, you see?
Alright.
Yalla. Glide is there, 700.
Minimum 400.
Continue.
Okay. It's okay. Too white to red. Look where you want to touch. But rate of descent 700 maximum. That's it. Good. Very good. Slightly to the
Alpha
left.
Kilo, Roger, maintain VFR.
Very good.
Climb out to
Very
5,500
fantastic.
feet.
Yes.
40.
Yalla, show me.
20.
Flare.
Retard.
Flare, 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 flare more.
Retard.
Okay. Stand up. Woohoo!
Correct.
My oh my. Stand up. Stand up. Like this, yes. You did better landing than me. Go. I have.
Okay. Mental
Rotate.
around.
Continue slowly and nicely. Okay.
Okay.
Yalla. Autopilot off.
I have control.
G is off. Bird on. 163. Yalla.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Flap 3.
Speed check. Laps 3. We're doing good. We're doing very good. 20 degrees is fantastic. You see the mountains there, huh?
Yes.
Very good. Turning final, Arabia 980.
Arabia 980, wind 330 degrees, 10 knots, runway 34, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Arabia 380.
Flap full.
Speed check. Laps full.
Landing checklist.
Is
1000.
completed. Look at your glide, you see?
Alright,
Yeah,
correct.
scan flow,
Correct.
center line, and we have 4 white, so that means, so I go for 900
Alright.
and wait for 1000 maximum.
Okay.
Very good, now you're on center line, that's the center line.
Okay.
Yeah. Good.
100 above.
Check.
No brake, no reversals.
Check.
400. Minimum.
Continue.
Yes, you see you counter it, yes. Now you need to push a little bit. This
Alright.
3 white. Very good, that's it, not too much. Now you're going back to 0, you see, push. Keep it 700.
Left.
Left, 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 left. Okay.
50.
Now I start. No, don't go to the right.
30.
Start. That's
20.
it.
Retard.
Retard?
Retard. Retard.
Okay.
Retard.
Stand up. Go.
Okay. First ground track.
Rotate. Slowly, slowly.
Left. Slot climb heading.
Check.
Arthur.
Check. Reset timer.
Reset timer.
Chrono. Get these off. We're done.
Flap 2.
Speed check. Laps 2.
Base turn.
Okay. Runway. Okay. Track.
Gear down.
Gear down.
You have some traffic at your 1 o'clock, 3 miles to 1,500 feet moving.
1,500 feet.
Completed.
Final RBA 980.
QNH Ras Al Khaimah 1002, runway 34 in use, clear inbound VFR. Report runway in sight.
Final RBA 980.
Avia 980, wind 340 degrees, 09 knots, runway 34, clear, touch and go.
Okay, touch and go. A little more to the left.
Confirm now 11
Little
o'clock.
more.
Continue.
Don't let it go to the right.
Runway
Yes.
12 Sierra Kilo, be advised
Very
the
good.
left traffic pattern is
700, don't 500. 700. 700. 700. Yes. Yes, corrected. Yes. You start. West.
40,
Okay.
30,
Yalla.
20.
Yalla. Where's the flare?
Retard. Retard. Retard.
Alright, you're. Stand up.
Stand up.
Okay.